Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to open a Western Alliance Bank high yield savings account. First, open the Western Alliance official website, westernalliancebank.com in your web browser. Now from its homepage, click on the Commercial and Business Banking option in your top menu bar. Next, click on the Business Checking and Savings button and you will get to see all of your business account details. You will be able to know about your checking and saving solutions. Mainly, they offer 4 plans: a business monkey market, business certificates of deposit, and more. After that, hit the Connect with a Banker button and check out your saving solutions. To continue, click on the Online Banking button given in the top right corner. Next, select your account type. Then you can select your banking division from the given options. So choose the Western Alliance Bank from the following options. If you are unable to open up your accounts, you can contact their helpline. If you aren't enrolled yet, you can sign up right now and get enrolled. So, click on the Sign Up button and then choose the Checking Savings or Money Market Account option from here. Then hit the checkbox and click to continue. After that, your account will be opened successfully. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.